Let's take this example. Same thing, in this example also, we have to express in complex number, that is z equal to x plus ib. Okay. So, say this question, 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus square root of 2i. So, to solve this, first we have to rationalize. We have to rationalize this problem. Otherwise, we cannot remove this root 2. So, 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus square root of root I. How to rationalize? How we used to rationalize the problems? See, 1 minus root 2i. So, we have to take the opposite sign here. See, this is negative sign. So, we have to take here positive. Root 2i divided by 1 plus root 2i. Now, just multiply it. 5 plus root 2i into 1 plus square root of 2i. So, 5 into 1, 5. 5 square root of 2i plus root 2i plus 2i square. When we open this bracket, we will get this term. This will be, see, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square. Now, this is real part. This will also be real part because we know that I square is equal to negative 1. So, substituting here negative 1, we will get 2 into negative 1, that is negative 2. So, 5 minus 2, this will give us 3. Plus, take I common. No need to take common because this is 5 root 2i, this is root 2i. When we add, we get 6 root 2i. Divided by 1 square is 1 minus square root of 2 square means 2 I square, that is I square negative 1, negative will be positive. Okay. So, simplifying this, we will get take 3 common, 1 plus 2 root 2i divided by 3. This get cancelled. So, what here we will get 1 plus 2 root 2i. This is our real part of complex number. This is imaginary part of the complex number. Okay. So, the question was, we have to find the solution of this and express this question in complex form. Okay. So, first we have to solve this and we have to write like this. Z equal to 1 plus 2 root I. Now, let's take another example. I raised to negative 35. I raised to negative 35. We know only the value of I square. So, what we have to do here is convert this using I square. Convert this I raised to negative 35. Sorry, first you have to convert this negative to positive. So, this will be 1 by I raised to 35. First, we have to convert this negative sign to positive sign. After that, using I square, we will solve this. So, using I square, we will get I square whole raised to 17 into I. Note this. Here, see, I raised to power is 35. So, we have to write here, you have to make this 35. So, using I square to make it 35, we have to take the nearest value, that is, I square means you will get an even number. So, 2 into 17 is 34. So, one more I is required. So, we will write into I. So, 1 by I square means negative 1 whole raised to 17 into I. Negative 1 whole raised to odd power gives us negative value. So, 1 by negative I. So, when this imaginary number, that is I comes in denominator, we again rationalize it. Into I divided by I. This will give us I divided by negative I square. Okay, we know the value of I square, so negative I. Negative positive will give us I. So, see, this also we have to, this example I raised to negative 35 is also we have to write in the form Z equal to X plus IY. So, how we will write this? We have got only imaginary number. So z is equal to no real part, so 0 plus imaginary part I.